in my new Seville. My tribe went down in the Hall of Fame, cause I'm the one who shot Jesse James. Pound for pound, I will never break down. Big Bird. No sir, I don't mess around. Oh!
Like Kimosabe, of course it's me, better known as the Master G. I'm fucking them squads, sense the danger when it's stung by the rapping ranger. Had a little talk with my medicine man. He said, get them squads fast as you can. To all you girls that wanna join my tribe, just move to my rhythm and feel my vibe. Put up a fuss in the end, you'll agree. But when you come